The three most powerful fasts in the Bible. Do you know them all? First, fasting for power over darkness. In Matthew 17:21, Jesus said,
This kind does not go out except by prayer and fasting.
some battles, spiritual battles, require more than words. When your marriage is under fire, when fear invades your home, when demons whisper lies, this fast breaks their grip. Second, fasting
பார்க்கும் முகமெல்லாம் இறை சாயல் தெரிகிறதே